If for some reason the gear or the lock of your latch is broken, like mine, I don't know how it can be broken like this, then I got you covered. Or let's say I scan it and 3D print a metal one. All you need to do is find out the bolt, take the broken one out. Seriously, how did it get broken like this? I have no idea. And then just swap this into place. Okay. So this is my first time taking a video like this. It's a bit clumsy. And once the gear is broken, when the latch hit, it won't turn the gear for sure and won't lock. Now, once the latch hit, it will lock just like normal. If you need one, PM me or search for the parts on Facebook. That's it. Pokemon. So when I took out the Pokemon, I 3D scanned it, laser scanned it, and then made the file, print the first prototype with PLA, just to see if the size fits. And then I found out for the original one, different tooth is a different size. I guess it could be down to due to wear and tear, or simply for some reason. And then I print out as a ASA1. I'm planning on using this one instead because it adds lightness, and all petrol heads want to add lightness to their car. You know, maybe it's cool or whatever, make us feel the car is faster and doing better. And I also printed the stainless steel one just to see. And if you want one, PM me. I will be sending out the stainless steel one just in case. And I will send it with the correct bolt with hex screw, so you can put it back in and then work just like how it should work. Cool. Thank you. All kind of advice and comment is welcomed, and this is my first time talking on the channel. Hopefully my Giulia will be back on road after 5-6 years of reservation, and yeah, I'll post some video hopefully soon. Cheers.